Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about the ways that you could use cabbage leaves, and yes, you can make a delicious sauerkraut and you can make a delicious digestive aid salad using cabbage, but we're going to get into more of a detail in regards to how can cabbage leaves help you with your health, help you in assisting your healing journey apart from the salad and sauerkraut, and of course the lovely cabbage stuffed cabbage leaves. That's another completely different story. But did you know that cabbage leaves, when used fresh, can be really amazing for arthritic pain, for joint health as well, for ulcers, varicose ulcers? They're also great for using on wounds, of course, after they've stopped bleeding and after you have disinfected them. So what do you do if you want to use fresh cabbage leaves for that? Well, simply start off by stripping the central rib of the leaf first, then you beat the leaf gently just to make sure that it's softened. That's what you want to do, and then you just simply using the leaf, you wrap the area that hurts, whether that's a painful joint, whether that's a sore, whether that's a wound, whether that's an ulcer. You use the cabbage leaf to wrap it and bind it onto the area with a band-aid, and then it would be great as well. Also for nursing mothers, if you have mastitis, if you have engorged area because of the nursing and the milk supply, then you can easily use the leaves, put them in your in the bra area, and it would really give relief that way. You can also use the fresh leaves to make a deconcussion, which is great. Just simply use it that way by making a concentrated form of tea. Also, another interesting yet creative way to use cabbage leaves is to combine to make yourself some lotion. And by lotion, you could use it for skin conditions such as anything to do with oily skin inflammations, such as acne, such as skin inflammations. You can just simply start off by mixing around 300 grams of the leaves, the fresh cabbage leaves, and then you mix the same amount, 300 milliliters of distilled witch hazel. Mix them. You would blend it in a blender, and then you would strain it. Add 2 drops of lemon juice oil or any other essential oil that you would like to use, and then you would use that in the night and morning. Of course, it would be more watery, but there's also another way to make a lotion. Just simply take that same amount of witch hazel, distilled witch hazel, same amount of the cabbage leaves, blend it together, add a little bit of melted beeswax, add a little bit of essential oil in there, and then wait for it until it sets, and you have ready to go lotion. Another thing is you can use the cabbage juice. Cabbage juice is mostly to help in stimulating the digestive system, and another great remedy for coughs and for the cold is making syrup out of cabbage. So these were the ways that cabbage and fresh cabbage has been used. I hope you found this helpful. Please like, share and subscribe in order to be notified every time we